लेने के लिए
अरे सर
माय
Good
डियर
evening, sir.
माय डियर माय डियर
सर देखो अंजलि का सेटअप
माय डियर students, my dear friends, my dear children, and whatever you are, it doesn't matter much, but it is true that you are very important for me because you are the future, you are the hope of this country. So today again we are here with a speaking session, as it has become our tradition to have a speaking session always on every Saturday. So I think you all are ready for it, and please keep your cameras on, and by displaying your face properly, because no one of you is here so ugly that cannot show his or her face. So face is very important thing. Uh, by the proper observation of a face, a person can determine what is there in that person. In that person means inwardly that person. Because when you are happy, your face has different expression, but when you are sad, then your face has some different expression. And when you have been punished, and that time you or anyone else crying, so that time the face of that person tells that this person is crying. Laughing means we can see these expressions only by face, not by hand or not by feet or not by anything, only by face. Laughing, crying, our expressions, our emotions, our happiness, our sadness, our problems, when we are tensed, when we come across any problem, so that time there are some different expressions of on our face. And people who know such things can tell you that what is problem, what have you any problem? No. Yes, you have any problem, because your face is telling that you are not happy, you have some problem. So face is very important for everyone. And also when we want to see the other thing, like by watching a face we say that this is beautiful, this is ugly, this is like that. So you know and face, everyone has their different face. There are very few incidents when some people have the same face, like when the siblings are twins, they can have the same face. But as then, there is no, there is very little chance of it. So please, first of all, I want to say to you all that please keep your cameras on.
सर
Kalpana and Anjali, also Anuj, Yogesh. I'm not able to see Vipin where is, and Yogesh, please switch on your camera. Very good.
सर
Very nice. Yes,
सर मुझे तो लगता है आज का टॉपिक फेस है
maybe. maybe. And as you know that I have told you much about face, and actually I had no idea about the topic of today, but suddenly I started speaking about face, and suddenly it became the topic of today as Gaurav has guessed. So this is the topic of today. And if anyone, please, your mic, please shut the mouth of your mic. Uh, I'm
सर किसी
talking
और
very
के बारे में
first,
बोलो मेरे को बोलो सर
first, हाँ
सर मैंने एक चीज पढ़ी है पता है क्या
क्या
सर देखो एक क्वेश्चन आया था व्हाई डू वी लव स्कैरी मूवीज बताओ उसमें आंसर में क्या लिखा हुआ है हाँ सर Scary stories make our hearts beat faster and give us a adrenaline rush like a roller coaster ride. सर बहुत भाषण दे रहा था मैंने तो आपको एक पैराग्राफ सुनाया छोटा सा
सुना
पूरा सुना
नहीं
सर
हाँ
भूतों को मूवीज
इसके
पसंद होती
अलावा
है
जो दूसरे लोग हैं अपने I think all of you are able to speak on the topic. Priya, can you? Priya and Yogesh. If not, then if you can speak, then you are most welcome to speak on the topic that has been given. And I think if you try, you can do. And please remove your goggles. This is not good. I have some other impression by watching this goggles and this mustache. So please remove it. You are looking more handsome or beautiful, whatever you like to be called. You are looking so nice, so very good. And okay, please put them down. Please come with me right now here, please. Okay, beta. Okay, I praise you for your skill, for your drawing skill. Very good, very nice. Shabash, keep it up.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, there should be no topic today. You just look at our faces.
Yes, I'm looking at your faces. And this is a great thing to look at your faces. And some of you still are not visible. I think they have some medicines like in the lesson of footprints without feet.
Excuse me sir
That was in 10th class. So I think these people have taken some types of that medicines that made them invisible. So please keep your cameras on.
sir
This is a great thing that you know there are two Anjalis. This is a great thing, and this is not, you can see. So I think this is a she ghost.
Sir, this is very shocking.
Yes.
विपिन भी हैं
हाँ विपिन भी दो आ रहे हैं भैया, ये खाने का असर आ गया इनके ऊपर. So now I think you are ready on the topic. Or if and Priya and Yogesh, if you are able to speak on the topic, you are most welcome. But if you think that this topic is heavy for you, then you can speak about any topic that you like. But if you like to speak on this topic, then please first listen to the other persons, and after getting the ideas of those persons, you can put your name down. Yes, try. You must try. There is nothing. If you try, you can do. I think so. So please start giving your names. It has been 5:42, and
सर बस एक
yes,
चीज
I have got some names, and I am starting with Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav here. My today's topic is face. So face is very important for a human because without face, because if you don't have face, you don't have my mind, and
If you don't have mind, you are not exist. You don't exist. Sorry, you don't exist. And also, face is very important for expressions, because expressions are very important to understand a person's feeling. Like if I'm sad, I will make expressions like I'm sad, and anyone can understand that I'm sad.
वेरी गुड, अच्छे से
And
बोलो
also,
सांस.
face
हाँ, सांस मत फूलने दो अपना,
face has
आराम से
a
बोलो, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से. सांस नहीं भूलना चाहिए, बोलो आराम से, घबराओ मत.
face has also an organ called lips, and also you can read the lip sync of a person to tell that what is he saying. And also, without face you can't breathe, because in breathing there are two essential organs, mouth and nose, and they are on face. And if you don't have face, you can't breathe, and you can't also see because eyes are also on face. That's it. Thank you.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा जल्दी कर दिया, थोड़ा सा और एक्सप्लेन. यू कुड, बट समटाइम्स यू
सर
बिकम.
मैं खा रहा था सर, मैं गुआवा खा रहा था.
गुआवा खा रहा था तो गुआवा बाद में खा लेता. अभी गुआवा खाना तेरा जरूरी था, 5 मिनट के बाद खा लेता. और शाम के टाइम गुआवा खाना किसने बताया तेरे को? Who told you?
सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं.
खा सकते हैं, खा, फिर खा सकते हैं तो खा सकते हैं. समझता तो है नहीं बात को. खाया जा रहा, बेशरम कहीं का. चल थोड़ा बाद में खा लेता है, इसको बोलता. कम से कम मुझे लगता था काफी तू बहुत सारी चीजें बताएगा, पर तू तो बस गोवा खाने में लगा हुआ है. It got under the influence of guava. Under the influence of guava. गुआवा का इतना असर हो गया है इसके ऊपर कि बस कुछ नहीं. गुआवा खाओ तुम अभी. चलो कोई बात नहीं, खा ले बेटा.
सर माय फेवरेट फूड खा रहे हैं.
No problem. You are eating halwa, gajar ka halwa. You enjoy that. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic that is face. So, as we talk about face scientifically, it is a body structure that every human, animal, or living things have, and face is and generally, if we say generally a face, so uh, it is uh, it is a type of expression or expression that we gives in different situations. And
गिव नहीं आएगा, गिव नहीं आएगा. अब तक तुम ऐसी
yes, sir, give yes, sir,
फोकस करो.
give in different situations.
फोकस
And
करो.
we know that um, uh, we we know that a person gets more information about another person's mood by face than by his words. And and to know about a person to know about a person, the face of the person is enough to be observed for knowing the person. And we know that everyone makes different expressions by his or her face in different situations. And this is also very important because by face we can tell many things that we cannot tell with words. And that's it.
Very शाबाश. आजकल बहुत अच्छे से बोलने, मतलब तुम बहुत using very few words. You have become able to express your ideas. This is a good thing, because in your future you will need it to express your ideas in a few words. This is a great skill. And also I think that sometimes you can describe anything. मतलब like if you can shorten, then you can make it longer. I think this is also very important. Like these days we are trying to get it by telling stories. So very good, nice performance. Keep it up, shabash. Very good, Anuj. Come, Anuj. Where are you? I think you are anywhere else.
No, sir.
Yes, come. And yes, come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is a face. So, a face is all about the expressions. Uh, a face is nothing without expressions, and a face is shaped like it is from forehead to chin. It has eyes, nose, and mouth.
Hmm.
And a face is not is not only the part of our body,
Hmm.
and also the most important part of our body, because it keeps our brain uh, behind our face,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
a face tells a lot about the person who is being seen, because uh, if a person is sad, so uh, it can be it can be uh, it can be known
Shabas, it
that
can be judged, it can be seen. Very good, very good. Non भी ठीक है बोलो. Non थोड़ा
yes,
सा
sir,
ऐसे हो जाएगा. It can be seen, it can be
yes,
judged,
sir.
it can be observed. Yes, come on, carry
Yes,
on.
sir. So it can be judged or seen that what has he been faced
Hmm.
just.
Hmm.
And if someone is happy, so it can be seen that he just has got some good news or something like that that releases his dopamine, so he is happy that time.
Hmm.
And face is not face is not
Face,
yes, sir,
face.
face. So uh, this topic of today came from those who were not switching their cameras on.
Okay. Very good. Yeah. Shabas. This I always want to speak you whatever is there in your mind. Speak English as you wish. This has been my my line that I always say.
Tagline.
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on.
So uh, this is our interactive class. So we all have to do our cameras open on. Sorry,
Do it?
and yet we don't follow this.
Yes. You also
Yes, sir.
many times.
Many times.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
But you are honest. You are speaking honestly. Shabash. Very good. Yes.
So
Carry on. Uh,
uh, so be visible and take your class. That's it.
okay, very nice. Nice. Actually, I like this type of speaking always. This is the thing that when matlab, we should be able to interact into English. Like today, I have spoken most of the time in English. So you must try to do it. But you, I am speaking English and you are passing your comments in Hindi. So I thought that today when I am speaking English, then you will also interact into English. But no, सर बताऊं, सर सुनो, सर एक मिनट, सर ऐसा हो गया. मतलब यार थोड़ा सा तो इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करते हैं. मेरे को भी वहीं ले आए तुम. मतलब हो गई ना वही बात, मुझे भी वहीं ले आए तुम अपने साथ साथ. वेरी गुड. सो ओके, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस अनुज, कीप इट अप. एंड you are also advised to keep your camera on. Okay. And I would like to share your advice to all others who are still not visible. I think definitely they have taken the tablet of Griffin, Dr. Griffin. I think that was the name of that scientist. Footprints without feet. I think the name of that scientist was Griffin. Am I right, Rachit?
Yes, sir.
Griffin. Okay, yes. Now Komal.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Komal has taken overdose of Griffin. Yes, come on. Yes.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Komal Verma, and I'm the student of Rahman Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today our topic is a face, and it is very different topic. And we all know that face is a part of our body, and all living things has a face.
हैज क्यों
And
आएगा पागल? हैव नहीं आएगा. हैव बोलते बोलते हैज कर दिया उसको. सुगली सी.
yes, sir, have a face, and it is very good thing, and it face has very face has many advantages, and we can say that we can find many types of emotions and experience expressions from a face, like we can see a happiness, anger, confusion, and different types of expressions from our face. And it is very good thing that we can feel our emotions. We can feel uh, emotions to other person, and we can smell, we can taste, we can we can smell, we can taste from our face, and it is a physical function, and we can breathe, we can eat with the face. And face is a very good thing, and all people have different faces, and we all know that it is our protection, and there is a and Anuj Bhaiya said that we should keep on our cameras, but sometimes
Sometimes. Always. You always.
sir, I am speaking now.
Yes, you are speaking.
But sometimes there are some mistakes in updating systems, so we can't open our cameras.
She is giving justification of putting the cameras off. Very good. Shabaz beta. I am very happy at your expression. And the most important thing is that you have become able to speak on the topic. So this is very great thing. So Shabaz beta.
Okay, sir, that's it,
Keep it
sir.
up. Very good beta. खुश रहो हमेशा. अंजलि 2 बार बोलना पड़ेगा इसको आज. अरे सर क्या 2 बार दिख रही है तेरे को? 2 बार बोलना पड़ेगा. You will have to speak 2 times. Because
no.
yes, come on. Hurry up.
So, 1 minute. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
सर शायद पहले मेरा
तेरा कहाँ है? तेरा कहाँ रह गया भाई?
शायद
कहीं नहीं है. गौरव के बाद रक्षित के बाद अनुज के बाद कोमल के बाद अंजलि. बोल अंजलि.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is face. Yes. Face is important in our life because if we can't interact with anyone without face, and if you do not have face, you do not have brain, and if you do not have brain, you are mindless.
Oh my
And
God. Very good. शाबाश. बोलती रहे. भटके मत. हाँ, बोलती रहे तू तो बस. जो कुछ भी कहे. हाँ.
no one in the world, no one is mindless, so you are not exist. You do not exist.
शाबाश.
This is my logic.
हाथ में गैस को नीचे रख दे. सीधे बैठ जा. बिल्कुल हाथ ऐसे कर ले. Yes, like that. Yes, come on. अरे ऐसे मत करे. देवी मत बन. ऐसे. Yes, ऐसे कर ले. हाथों को आराम से बोले ऐसे करके. Yes, हिले मत ज्यादा. हाँ. शाबाश.
So without, and you know that sir in every class said keep your camera on. So he sir said 900 times, but we do not do it.
But you do. You most of the time your camera is on. So congratulations for it. You are a good girl. You low. This is a gift for you. Yes. Okay. Yes. Come on, beta. Carry on.
Yes, sir. And if anyone is crying, so we can understand he is crying with the face. And one more thing, if we do not have face, face, we can't see, we can't speak, we can't breathe.
Very good.
So we exist. And that you know that face is very important. And in the class, if we do not open our camera, so sir can't interact without the face.
Yes, yeah. How can I know that there is someone after this ID?
Yes.
Yes. And sometimes students go to play after joining the class. But I think you do not do such types of things. Yes, come on, Anjali, carry on.
Yes, sir. And if we do not open the camera, sometimes sir says that I will remove from the class if anyone's camera is off,
Yes.
because we do not do.
And then what happens after it?
And if everyone in the class open camera,
Very nice.
open the camera, and after 2 minutes they all shut down.
Shut down. Very good. We can do nothing of you. Means you want to say that we have no treatment, we have no cure, we are incurable. Come on, carry on.
And if at the class everyone open its camera, everyone at the end of the class, at the minute of the class, and everyone open his camera to end the class. I saw that everyone, and sir can't scold us without face. That's it, sir.
Very good. मजा आ गया आज तो. I got too much joy with you. Very nice of you. Love you.
Sir,
Yes.
Thank you.
sir, is it okay now?
तू रुक जा यार, तू क्या है
सर
यार?
पतंग उड़ा रहा है
पतंग उड़ा
सर।
ले तू, अब रात में अंधेरे में पतंग उड़ रही है तेरी. अनवी, come on अनवी, हद हो गई यार. क्लास है, कोई क्या है यार? अनवी, अरे कमरे में पतंग कहाँ से उड़ा रहा है ये? कमरे में कहाँ से पतंग उड़ा रहा है? देखो बेड पे खड़ा हुआ है ये. मतलब
सर कमरे में नहीं हूँ सर, छत पे हूँ, पतंग उड़ा रहा हूँ.
चल कोई बात नहीं, हमने भी ऐसे ही बोल दिया, दिल पे मत ले.
सर
हाँ अनवी,
सर मैं जाऊँ
कहाँ जाएगा?
सर घर पे।
कौन सा घर? घर पे ही तो है तू.
सर
पतंग उड़ा रहा है तेरे को भी? पतंग उड़ा रहा है?
नहीं नहीं सर क्लास लाऊंगा।
तू क्लास ले ले, चल कहाँ जाना है तेरे को, जाए चल, आजा वापस. पतंग उड़ानी तो उड़ाए, पतंग उड़ा के आजा. हाँ यस, कम ऑन.
सर बताओ ना।
हाँ जा जा बेटा. अनवी,
ओके सर, बाय सर, गुड नाइट सर।
गुड नाइट बेटा. हाँ अनवी, यस.
My today's topic is face. So as you know, as you can remember that some time ago Anjali has speak. So Anjali say, who do not have face, they are mindless.
Those who do not have face are mindless. आगे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ दो उसको, आगे बोलो.
Mindless. So sorry, but I want to say that those who have switched off their cameras, they are mindless. Sorry.
They are mindless. Okay. ठीक है.
You know
okay.
that I
बोलो, आज
opened
तो
my camera. I
एक
have
से एक
2 phones.
जबरदस्त बोल रहे हो तुम लोग आज तो. बोलो, बोलते जाओ, शाबाश. I am very
Yes.
happy. बोलो. Tell
So
what
face
is there in you, whatever is there in your mind. Speak. Come on.
face is very important, but sometimes some people सर लगाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
लगाना क्या लगाना?
सर आपको बताओ ना, लगाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
हैं?
लगाने को
तो बेटा कुछ भी बोल सकते. क्या चीज लगानी है ये बता.
सर वो नहीं बताऊंगी, पहले आप बताओ लगाने को
लगाना
बोलते
तो यूज भी हो सकता है, सेट भी हो सकता है.
Some people set their photos on open cameras,
Okay.
but sometimes they पकड़े जाने को क्या बोलते हैं
They
सर?
are caught.
they are caught by sir. Sometimes not every time.
Many times. Okay.
Many
Several
times.
times. Many times. शाबाश शाबाश बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो बोलो बेटा.
And sir also think that how they can sit like a statue. That's why sir caught them.
Yes.
So this is important. Like we can see expression of anyone. Like if I off my camera, sir don't want to pin up me.
Please beta switch on your camera beta. Like that.
Sir, now tell who is
Okay.
mindless.
Yes, come on, carry on. So she displayed by doing so. Yes, come on beta, shabash beta. Yes.
Yes, sir. So you can think that a man who do not have face, but he had several marks of smiling and a happy expression. One day he set a face of smile and he go to a सर उसको क्या कहते हैं जब मरते हैं और किसी को जलाते हैं तो
When the dead body of someone is cremated.
when a dead body is someone is created and he is
cremated. कोई बात नहीं बोल लो तुम बाद में बात कर लेंगे निकल यार.
and he is smiling as you know he do not have face so he is smiling
He does not have. थोड़ा फोकस करो. बोल बेटा.
He does not have face so he have put the marks. So everyone पकड़ने को क्या कहते हैं सर?
Caught, but बता दो नहीं. Is caught या like that.
Caught him and they caught and pack him in a room and they start scolding him and beating him and he thought that I want to have face. So you can imagine if you do not have a face so
Then
also can beat like him. At the last I want to say please switch off your cameras.
Switch off or switch on?
Sir switch on.
Okay beta, very nice speaking beta. Shabash. Yes.
Otherwise you are sir आप बोल देना.
You are कुछ नहीं. You are naughty children. You are different type of children. I will have to look for a treatment of such types of people.
सर सीधा कहो ना mindless.
Mindless नहीं होते. बहुत mind होता है इनमें. Okay. Yes beta. Anything else? Anu, शाबाश बेटा. I'm very happy at your speaking. Very nice presentation. बेटा keep it up. Okay. और थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है वर्क फॉर्म पे सभी लोगों को. ओके. कहाँ गई? ये तो स्टिल हो गई. स्टैचू हो गई क्या?
सर अनुज भैया तो आ रहा है.
कहाँ से आ रही है? ये तो यहाँ आ गई. मैं इसको वहां ढूंढ रहा हूँ. ओके बेटा. यस कम ऑन वैष्णवी.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi. Today I'm talking about face. You know that face is a very important for our body, and it is the part of our body, and you know that faces are very special because faces provide unique information about expression and
वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करो बेटा थोड़ा सा. हाँ बोलते रहो.
identity, etc. And
फोकस करो थॉट्स के ऊपर.
and as the previous students says that please switch on the cameras, not off, and face. You know that face may be a. The cute shape of the face is oval shape, and and we should keep smiling, and we should not. Yes, sir. That's it.
बेटा क्या हो गया, थॉट्स नहीं आए आज? थोड़ा सा रीडिंग कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे हो आजकल?
सर थोड़ी बहुत हो पा रही क्योंकि बोर्ड एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं, इस वजह से थोड़ा हो रहा है
ओके ओके, फरवरी में एग्जाम है तुम्हारे, है ना
सर, इस वजह से।
कोई बात नहीं, ओके ठीक है। एग्जाम से रिलेटेड कोई बात हो तो बता देना बेटा मेरे को, है ना? बोर्ड का है ना तुम्हारा?
यस सर।
ओके, टेल मी इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग योर academical subjects. Okay, Vipin.
सर
Hello everyone. Today my topic name
भाई
is.
तेरी आवाज बहुत इको हो रही है, ठीक कर इसको।
Sir, अब आ रही है? Yes sir. Hello everyone. Today my topic name is. सर टॉपिक क्या था?
फेस।
ठीक है। Hello everyone. Today my topic name is face. So face is very important part of our body.
ऑफ आवर बॉडी। थोड़ा प्रीपोजिशन को यूज करो, ध्यान से बोलो और थोड़े फेस दिखाओ अपना। तुम तो फेस दिखाई नहीं रहे, फेस तुम्हारा टॉपिक है, तुमने चार्जर के दर्शन करवा देते हो। बोलो, अब बोलो ऐसे, लाइक दैट। अब देखो कितने अच्छे लग रहे हो, कितने क्यूट से छोटे से प्यारे से बच्चे लग रहे हो तुम। अब बताओ, इस फेस को तुम छिपाते हो यार, बताओ। हाँ सर यार, मत छुपाया कर, कितना प्यारा सा बच्चा है, क्यूट सा, एकदम अच्छा सा लगने वाला। बोल।
Hello everyone. Today my topic name is face. So face is very important part of our body. Faces do not.
डू नॉट क्यों? फेस डज नॉट।
We do not have face, so we cannot see world.
शाबाश, फोकस करो बस थॉट्स पे।
And we do not have face, so we can't. सर सुनने को क्या कहेंगे?
लिसन।
So we can't listen something.
एनीथिंग। समथिंग क्यों?
Yes, anything. So face.
घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी यार।
If face do not have, so we can't speak.
बोल, हाँ बोल 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 बोल, घबराए मत।
सर फेस नहीं होगा सर, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? फेस नहीं होगा तो हम जिंदा ही नहीं रहेंगे।
विदाउट फेस वी कांट लिव अ लाइफ, ये लेना। वी कांट लिव विदाउट फेस, बन गया ना? ऐसे सोच लिया कर बस।
We can't live without face.
यस, ऐसे बन गया, बस ऐसे सोच लिया कर, वो चीजों को थोड़ा उल्टा पुल्टा कर लिया कर। आगे बोल।
Yes, sir.
हाँ।
So my sir speak switch camera on by mouth.
बोल। हाँ।
This is my sir dialogue. This dialogue is very best.
कुछ भी बोलते हो यार। अच्छा, और
एंड
बेस्ट से पहले वेरी नहीं लगाते, बेस्ट तो वैसे ही सबसे अच्छा है, द बेस्ट। वेरी नहीं लगाते बेस्ट से पहले, ठीक है? आगे बोलो।
यस सर, दैट्स इट सर।
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। और थोड़ा फोकस करना है, ठीक है, चीजों पे। हाँ, कुछ लिखते हो नहीं लिखते हो आजकल? लिखना बंद कर रखा है तुमने? लिखते तो भेजा करो मेरे पास।
यस सर, हर रोज भेजो।
भेजो, बिल्कुल भेजो। योगेश, रोजाना भेजा करो बेटा लिख करके। योगेश कहाँ गए भैया? हैं? तुम्हारे भाषणबाजी सुनते सुनते भाई के ऊपर असर हो गया, इसके ऊपर। हैं ये अन्नू, ये तुम्हारा दिया हुआ ज्ञान है बेटा। अच्छा आ गया क्या योगेश? आ जाओ बेटा, आ जा बेटा, आ जा। यस, कम ऑन, यू आर फ्री टू स्पीक ऑन एनी टॉपिक। आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही, आवाज कट रही है तुम्हारी।
I am a student of one class. Speak father.
आवाज कट रही है बेटा, इसको ठीक कर, कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है तुम्हारी, ठीक करके आओ इसको। मैं जब तक प्रियंका को बुलाता हूँ, ठीक करके आओ बेटा इसको। यस, कम ऑन प्रियंका।
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Jain. I am a student of Rambar classes. Today's topic is phase.
Very good.
People are different phase.
People have different phases.
It is part of body on face.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलो, घबराओ मत।
Is eyes, nose, lip, hair, ear.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, घबराओ मत। जितना आपको समझ में आ रहा है, जो भी मन में बात आ रही है वो बोल दो आप, तो मैं हेल्प कर दूंगा। कोई भी बात है मन में आपको बोलनी है, आप इंग्लिश में नहीं बना पा रहे तो मेरे को बोलो, मैं बताता हूँ, हेल्प करता हूँ।
People. People identification on face.
People face is the identification of a person.
Okay.
बोलो।
People expect लोगों के चेहरे से पता चलता है। What have people experience on face?
बोलो बोलो, घबराओ।
What happened? Girls put on makeup on face.
Very good.
That's it, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं, लिखना इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आप।
ओके,
अच्छे से लिखना। आप जो समझ में नहीं है उसको हिंदी में लिख देना, मैं बताऊंगा फिर आपको कैसे होता है, ठीक है ना?
ओके
करो, आप कोशिश करो बस। अब लिखना है इसके ऊपर, अच्छे से लिखना, आप जितना लिख सकते हो। कल का टॉपिक वही रखना आप लिखने के लिए, मंडे को, है ना? ओके
ओके
सर। अब सही है कनेक्शन?
आ गया बेटा, आ जा बेटा।
ओके सर।
आराम से बोलना बेटा, घबराना।
Hello everyone, my name is Yogi Sharma. I am a student of Ramban online classes. I speaking about my face. I speaking about face. Many people have different faces.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोल, घबराए
and people give expression by face.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी
and people cannot see without a face. and cannot live without face. because people do not.
अब बोल बेटा, तू बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा। ये तो इनकी चैटिंग पे हंस रहा हूँ मैं, उठेंगे मेरे से। कहीं भी चैटिंग चालू कर देते हैं, पिटने वाले हैं मेरे से। बोल बेटा, तू तो बोल बेटा।
People cannot work, cannot people cannot our work,
cannot do their work, घबराए मत।
do their work, and people this it is very important for humans,
शाबाश शाबाश।
and that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ऐसे कोशिश किया करो बहुत, और इसी में लिखना टॉपिक पे अब, ठीक है ना? ये लिख के सेंड करना मेरे को। ओके, वेरी गुड। यस, कम ऑन काजल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is face. As we all know that every human has its own face, and without face we can't speak, listen, and also we can't see. And this face is very important part of our body, and with the help of face we can speak, listen, and we can see also. And face is very important, and also our expression or face expressions are very important, because by these expressions we can see what's going on, and
बहुत बढ़िया।
and we can see that if a person weeping, we can see that with the help of his face that he is weeping. And if a person is smiling, and we can with the help of face we can see that that person is smiling. And we can know about the condition of the person that what is his condition, and
शाबाश, very
the
good,
help
very
of
good।
is. And sometimes or expressions can't say about people, because we can only see out expressions, we can not see or inner heart expressions. And sometimes we can only know about face expressions, but we can't see a person inner. And it is very important. If you want to know a person, we can only know that person, his we can not know about that person his expressions. And if we are shouting, and we can know that that person is sir, गुस्सा करने को क्या बोलते हैं?
He's angry.
That person is angry, and we can only see out expressions. And face is very important, because without face a person can't say, we can't say a person, a man, a person, because only ghost has no face.
Okay. Okay.
And
शाबाश।
sometimes and every person has different faces. And there are two types of faces. A face, first face is we can that we can see the face. And second face is we can't see that face, because a person has have two faces. We can only see or his physical face, and we can only see his shape of face, and we can't see that the person is what is that person, he is good and bad. Without knowing that person, we can't say that that person is only seeing the person, we can't say that this person is good and bad. Only knowing the person, we can say that that person is good and bad. So I want to say that face is very important, because sometimes sir told us क्या सर asked us
नहीं, asked क्यों आएगा? प्रेजेंट में तो आएगा बेटा, कहते हैं asks us.
ask. Okay, sir. Sometimes or sir ask us to switch on or cameras, because we know that if we on if we switch on our cameras, sir know about, or sir only know about our condition by seeing our face, and sir asking us any question, and we know we don't know about the answer. So sir only sir can only know about our face expressions, that he or she is know the answer is not and not. So sometimes many students switch off their cameras, and some there are different reasons to switch off our cameras, and uh, and we should always switch on our cameras. And there are some circumstances by these
Because of them.
because of it we can switch off our cameras. And in the last, I want to say that our face is very important, because by seeing our face we can know about a man, and we can our face, sometimes there are so many people which who can read our face, and they can say that they can say about our future, and what is going on in our life. And so uh, so our face is very important, and if a person don't have face, it calls a ghost. That's it, sir.
बहुत अच्छा बोलने लग गए बेटा, है? अब तो सब कुछ जो दिमाग में रहता है वो बोलने लग गए. वेरी गुड यार,
Yes,
शाबाश. I am happy, very much happy.
thank you, sir.
शाबाश, करते रहो बस. Yes, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit Moore, and today's my topic is face. So, as we all know very well, that face is very important in our life. It tells about our condition, our expressions, and it tells about ourselves. It is just like an identity that tells about us and makes everyone know about us, and make everyone able that who are we. And we must know that face is very important for us, because this has all our identities, and the things that are on it are very important, just like we know that eyes which are placed on it for a wider view in a way, just like we have. And we know that nowadays those who can't speak have to use their facial expressions to express their views, to express their things, and hence it is very important for them to have a face, so that they may also talk to each other. and we must know that face is very important, and it tells us about our identity, about our attitude, about our expression, about how we are feeling, and these types of things. So at last I would like to say that face is very important for us to have all the things that we are consisting of, and that's it, sir.
Wow, nice vocabulary used by you. Very good, Shabaz beta. Keep it up. Very good. Yes, come on, Kalpana. कल्पना
यस सर
कैमरा चालू कर अपना
सर आवाज नहीं
आएगी चल बोल
टुडे माय टॉपिक इज फेस अबाउट द इमोशंस फेस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ
शाबाश
बॉडी
कोशिश करा बोल 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 बोल
वी कैन smell and taste.
Shabash.
We cannot see the world. We cannot lift face. People have different faces.
शाबाश कोशिश
That's it, sir.
ओके कोई बात नहीं है कंटिन्यू करना बेटा क्लास मंडे से है ना ठीक है ना
यस सर
ओके यस नाउ हर्ष बस हर्ष और रोहित दो जने बचे कम ऑन हर्ष
yes sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Harshad and today my topic is a face. As we all know that we all are humans and we all are animals too, and everyone in this world have a face because face consists of mainly all the sense organs that we consist except skin, and it consists of eye, mouth, ear, skin too, but not a lot skin. And the very first thing that we sees in a man or woman or in anyone is his or her identity. What sir?
बोलो कंटिन्यू करो
his characteristics, his qualities and his nature. That's that of what nature is he, bad or good. Because by seeing only the face, we can tell that a person is angry, sad, happy, or containing any other emotion. Like the sir always says to us that we should open our camera, because if he gives us any situation and we get stuck into it, then he can find out it not by asking us, but by just seeing at our faces. Because many people say that the situation of a person is always written on his face. We have to just read it. Like by seeing the face of sir at right now, we all can think that we all can imagine that he is focusing on us and on something other, because his eyes are down but his mind is here.
Very good.
And many persons try to hide their face because of their beauty, but they should understand that their face is because their face is the only thing that can by which they can be identified. Because many persons can have same body, but it is very hard to find two persons with the same face. There must be one thing different by nature. But by medical science we can make a person's person's copy, but it's not its true form. And that's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Rohit, बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohit and today I'm going to tell you about face. So as we all know that face is a physical characteristic of anybody, and we define anyone and we call it by its name and face is the most important thing of any person that helps us to recognize him or her. So everyone in this world born with a new face and a very and there is very high chance that the people have similar faces, and it is possible only when the siblings are twins. Then only the face of two persons can be possible. In today's world, we can see that many people have good faces and many people have not much, do not have that much attractive faces. But everyone nowadays in the Gen Z era, everyone like Gen Zs, after seeing celebrities and all these people, they find their they have a great dissatisfaction with their faces, and went in traumas for that,
very good.
because they find that they also want to look that much beautiful. But you become beautiful when you realize that your face is the most beautiful in the world. So we do not need to compare ourselves with the others, because it
Themselves, not ourselves. Bolo.
themselves, because it does not mean that if they are looking beautiful, they are actually beautiful. You are beautiful by your heart, not by your face, and face is just a physical appearance of yours. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। पूरा तो नहीं किया, आप सबने बोल लिया ना? कोई नहीं जाएगा अभी, कोई नहीं जाएगा, बिल्कुल नहीं जाएगा अभी, रुक जाओ यहीं।